Hi friends, good morning and welcome to this video of describing a movie. We will learn describing a movie today. This is the common question which is asked to a candidate in an interview. It is asked to check your knowledge of present perfect tense. So there are some common questions like describe a movie which you have recently watched, kindly describe a story which you have recently read, talk about the book which you have recently read, or kindly tell us about the place which you have recently visited. So all these questions are asked to check your knowledge of present perfect tense. So here you have to talk about present perfect tense. Friends, it's my humble request, whenever you go for an interview, listen to the question very carefully and answer your questions according to the tense. Whenever they ask you these types of questions, that means they are asking you to talk in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is a tense which is used for an activity which has generally finished, recently finished, or which has just recently done. So you have to use subject plus have has plus third form of the verb. So in this video, I will tell you how to talk in present perfect tense with the help of this topic describing a movie. Let's begin how to talk about a movie which you have recently watched. So I will tell you one by one, then I will tell you the whole answer. So let's start with the first point. I have watched Three Idiots movie. I have watched Three Idiots movie, right? So it's an activity which has already been finished. Then Amir and Karina have acted very well in the movie. Now Amir and Karina have. Here we are using two people, that's why we are using have. If I use like Amir, only Amir, then I should say Amir has acted very well in the movie. Then the director has shown a story of three college students. The director has shown a story of three college students. All friends have a great bonding and they have a great relationship between each other. They have dreams and they have qualities to make their dreams come true. They have dreams and they have got good qualities to achieve their dreams. So in this story, these three students have joined engineering college, but their dreams are different. They have joined engineering college and they have started their journey of achieving their goals. In this story, Amir has done an aspiring role to motivate his friends to achieve their goals. In this story, Amir has uh, come from other family and he has joined engineering college in some other name and he has earned a degree for some other person. Due to his eagerness to study, the owner has admitted him into the college for his son career, and Amir has done a role of doing engineering for the owner's son. Amir has done an inspiring character for his friend. He has motivated his friends to achieve their goals. Karina has played a character of principal daughter. She has supported all these three friends to achieve their goals, and she has great relationship with these guys, and she has supported them to get their goals and achieve their goals. This movie has taught us a lesson to achieve their goals, to achieve our goals and become a successful person in our life. So this is how you can talk about like a movie which you have recently watched. In this answer friend, you have to remember that you have to talk in present perfect tense. So let's have a recap. If someone asks you like this question, describe a movie which you have recently watched, you should say, sir, I have watched Three Idiots movie recently. Amir and Karina have acted very well in this movie. The director has shown a story of three college students. they have got great bonding amongst each other. Like these all guys have got good qualities and they have joined engineering college, but their dreams are different. So Amir has inspired his both the friends to achieve their goals. One friend has got a dream of becoming a photographer. The other friend has got a dream to get a good job or doing something different, but both of them like are very scared due to their parents pressure. So Amir has inspired them to achieve their goals after lots of struggle. And they, after doing their college, they have moved towards their dreams and they have become a successful person in their respective lives. And Amir has opened a different kind of school and he has become the principal of the school, and he has work of teaching differently abled people, and he has earned a good reputation in the world. So this is the story. This story has taught us a lesson to achieve our goals and run behind our dreams to become a successful person. This is how you have to talk about present perfect tense whenever these questions are asked to you. You can write down some questions and prepare the answers and write the answers in present perfect tense. First, describe a movie which you have recently watched. Talk about the book which you have recently read. Talk about the place which you have recently visited. So whenever these questions are asked to you, that means they want you to talk in present perfect tense. So kindly talk in present perfect tense because they want to check your errors. So present perfect tense is a tense which is used to talk about the activity which has just finished, which has just completed. So you can talk like this. I hope friends you have understood how to answer these questions and how to talk in present perfect tense. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest updates of videos on your screen. And if you have any doubts, you can write down on comment section. I'll speak to you there. And kindly share this video uh, with your friends and loved ones to help them out to enhance their knowledge of English language and to become a fluent speaker of English. So thank you very much friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye, and do take very good care of yourselves. Happy learning.